Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will guide you through an important task many Trello users often need. If you have created a board and no longer want it to stay on your account, deleting it is the best way to keep your Trello workspace clean and organized. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right. Scroll down until you see the option called Close Board and tap on it. You will notice an option to delete. Tap on Delete. Finally, confirm by tapping Delete again, and your board will be permanently removed from your Trello account. This process helps you remove boards you no longer need, keeping your workspace efficient and organized. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.